Building a private portal for your VIP clients doesn't have to be complex, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to do it in just a few minutes. Whether you're offering exclusive content, secure document sharing, or personalized support, a private portal is a great way to give your VIP clients the best experience possible. Stick around, because I'll be sharing a free trial of the software we're using today, and trust me, it's going to make your life easier. First off, we need to choose the right software for the job. There are a lot of options out there, but after testing several, I found that this software has everything you need to set up a secure professional portal. You'll be able to customize everything from the design to the features, and it's user-friendly. And because you're watching this video, you can access an exclusive free trial through the link in the description below. Now, let's dive into how to set it up. First, once you've signed up for the software, the first step is to create a new project. You'll want to give it a name that reflects what you're offering, like VIP Client Portal or Exclusive Member Area. This helps keep things organized. Next, you'll customize the look and feel of the portal. Make sure it matches your brand. You want your clients to feel like they're stepping into a space that's designed just for them. You can choose custom logos, colors, and layouts that align with your brand's identity. This part is super important because it makes your portal feel professional and tailored. Once the design is set, it's time to create the content areas your clients will need access to. For VIP clients, you may want sections like exclusive resources, private discussions, or direct access to customer support. You'll want to set up password-protected areas for sensitive materials, and many of these platforms allow you to set permissions for different user groups, so you can give your VIPs special access while keeping other content restricted. Next, focus on the communication features. This software allows for private messaging, notifications, and even chat support. You can use these tools to ensure your VIP clients are always in the loop with updates, special offers, or any changes to their accounts. Once you've got your content areas and communication features in place, don't forget to test everything. You want to ensure that your portal is seamless and easy to use. Test the login process, check that all the links are working, and make sure your VIP clients can easily navigate to the sections they need. If anything feels off, now's the time to tweak it. Finally, after everything's set up, send out the invitations to your VIP clients. You can do this through the software's email system or manually if you prefer. Be sure to include instructions on how to log in and use the portal, so they feel comfortable when they get started. The key takeaway here is that building a private portal for VIP clients doesn't have to be difficult. With the right software, you can create a secure professional space for your top clients, offering them exclusive content, resources, and communication. Make sure you take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description if you want to follow along with the steps I've shown here. To recap, choose the right software, customize the design to fit your brand, set up content areas with restricted access, and make sure your communication tools are in place. Finally, test everything before you send out invitations. It's that easy. Don't forget to grab your free trial link in the description below, and I'll see you in the next video.